Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a Khaman dhokla that is made ready within minutes, and it's called Microwave Mug Dhokla. So to make the Mug Dhokla recipe, the first ingredient would be some besan, a main ingredient. Some asafoetida or hing, green chilies to give that nice spice, sugar, ginger, some curd, oil, salt and water. Always add water little by little and whisk it well using a whisk. It's thick, we'll need some more water. The water quantity always depends upon the quality of the besan, so don't add all at once. Yes, this is the right consistency. So I have taken approximately half cup of water. This water proportion is very important. Now the batter is ready, as you can see. Now the main ingredient to add is the fruit salt. So here's the fruit salt. Please do not put the fruit salt from before, just before making them. And little water. Once you get this froth, mix it very gently. You want nice fluffy dhoklas, right? So if you mix this vigorously, you're not going to get those soft dhoklas. If you keep all these steps in mind, we are sure you're going to make a fabulous dhokla. And make sure it's equally mixed as well. So you saw the froth, nice and fluffy. Now quickly pour this. So I've taken a mug that's little huge, it's thick and broad, as you can see. We'll pour half of the batter. Yes, so we're going to quickly put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. One thing I would like to tell you is when you put it in the microwave, you might feel that it's overflowing. But don't worry, it's going to happen. Do not open the microwave, that's all I would like to tell you. And they will come out perfect. So till it's getting in the microwave, we'll take a small pan and make the tempering. So heat some oil. We'll add the mustard seeds and some curry leaves. Allow them to crackle. Yes, so they have crackled well, as you can see. To this we'll add some sugar and water. And we'll cook this for 30 seconds. Yes, I'm going to quickly run to the microwave and check my dhokla. So one by one I'd kept 2 mugs. So here is the tempering. Quickly pour it over, along with the water, so that it stays nice and soft. Wow, it looks so delicious. But make sure you add the water, otherwise it's going to be very dry. We're going to garnish it with some coriander. So our mug dhokla, as you saw, was so easy and quick to make. Let's quickly serve it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.